how to fix Wi-Fi connection issues on your HP laptop. So let's get started. I'll show you a few different tips that you can try. The first thing that I always recommend when you're having issues is to do two things. First of all is to shut down the computer. So by going on the start button, you're going to press the power button, shut down, it will turn off. Then go where your Wi-Fi router is and disconnect it from the wall outlet. So unplug it, wait 2 minutes and plug it back. Then start your HP laptop, and fortunately when your router comes back online, they will be able to connect and you won't have any issues. Many times in the past I had problems and it wasn't the laptop, it was actually the router that I had to simply unplug and plug it back. I don't know why, but it happens. Now, if you're still experiencing issues with your Wi-Fi, let's go to tip number 2. Click on the Windows logo. On the search bar, we're going to type Device Manager. Select Device Manager. In the list that just opened, we will go and select Network Adapters. Press the arrow beside it and you're going to get a bunch of options. Now, the one that we're interested in is the one that is called adapter. I don't know if you see, but this one ends in adapter. Maybe yours will end in network adapter, but that's the one we need. To click on it, right click, select disable device. Yes. Wait a few seconds. Okay, perfect. And now click again on it, select enable device. This is a simple restart of the adapter itself. Maybe that was the issue. If you're still having issues, you can go back here where you see adapter, right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers, select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you may have 1 or 2 options. I suggest you try by updating using the first option that you have. Okay, press next, it will install. If you're having issues, go ahead and click on the second one. Maybe the second update was the one that's working. Maybe you had to go back to the older update to make your Wi-Fi work. Okay, so after selecting, press next. Let me select the second one. It will install the driver. Here we go, successfully. Close and try it out. Trick number 3, in case you're still having problems, well, we'll go back in Device Manager. So I'll click over here, Device Manager. I will find the same network adapter, right click on it, select Properties, Power Management, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. We don't want this. We want the computer to stay connected all the time and not allow it to disconnect when it thinks that it needs to save power. So I have unchecked it and I'll press OK. I also suggest once you made this change to restart your computer just to make sure that the change has been actually registered. So press restart and fortunately, finally, everything will work. Another thing you can do is to reset the network settings. This will be tip number 4. To do this, you're going to press the start button, the settings option, network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, press reset. It will ask you to restart your computer to make the changes at the end of this reset. Usually it takes just a few seconds. And afterwards, fortunately, everything works. If you have any other solutions or if one of these solutions worked for you, I want to know. So leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.